Alright, before we replace the wheel, let's go ahead and take off the other wheel and examine it. So I'm going to use this tool here. And this tool here. So this is going to go on the nut side, and then this is going to go on the other side. And you hold this in place, slowly unscrew it. Okay, so the nut is relieved, like so. That's all that's on this side. Okay, so I'm going to take the Allen wrench off. I'm going to push the screw through, hold this, so this is held. Now we have our tire. So these casters, if you're looking, you can see in the middle, that's starting to slip apart. There's a bunch of dirt on this. So it'd be good to do these as well.